Hi there, and welcome again to our makerspace. In this product video, we're going to introduce you to the newest member of our Velleman Instruments family, the brand new handheld oscilloscope. Let's open it up. Judging by the size of the package, you can see that we didn't lie about the title, stating that it's handheld. Let's go. Alright, inside you'll see the scope wrapped in a fine sleeve to protect it. And there we have it, our brand new oscilloscope. Now also inside we have a small note, there we go, with some features and specs, and also a clear drawing on how to insert the batteries. Now to power up the scope, you'll need 4 AAA batteries, and to open the back, you'll need something like a flat kind of screwdriver. You'll have to insert it in the back, push slightly until the back opens up, there we go, and then insert the batteries. Now the scope has a full automatic measuring system, so all you need to do is turn the scope on, connect your probes, and you can start reading the signal. And the most important features of the scope is that the sample rate is 40 megasamples per second in real time. It has a sensitivity down to 0.1 millivolt, and it also has a memory hold function. If you want to know how to operate the scope manually, go to manuals.velleman.eu for the full user manual. Aside from that, we also have a few options. For instance, the probes, but we also have a protective pouch, which fits both this scope as well as the previous edition, and there's also a second compartment for the probes. Also coming soon, we'll have the component tester, especially for this scope, but that's for another video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.